In this video, we will show you how to shut down laptop with keyboard. There are two methods with easy how you can shut down your laptop with keyboards. Okay, the first method, okay, I will show first the on-screen keyboard so you can see what button we press here. Okay, the first step we can using a shortcut. This is for the first method. The shortcut is Alt button plus F4. But on the on-screen keyboard, the F4 is not so. The position F4 usually in here. Okay. If we press Alt plus F4, you can see it will appear dialog box that we can shut down our laptops. Then you can, I'm sorry, I will show again. Alt plus F4. Then you can click tab until it's focused on OK button here. Okay. If you see here, the hover is blue, and then you can click enter to shut down your laptops. This is the first method. I will cancel this. The second, you can using Windows button here. Press Windows button, okay, and you will see I will make this higher, and then you can click tab until it's focused on in here. Just click tab again, okay. After that, you can using right arrow button, okay. Then you can press enter. You can using bottom arrow again, okay. Then you can click the enter and it will shut down your laptops. Okay, I will uh, do again without the on-screen keyboard. The first step, you can using Alt plus F4 press in the same time. Then you can using tab to focusing on the OK button. You can see here. If I press tab, okay, it focus on the OK and hit the enter. Your laptop will shut down. The second method is using Windows, okay, Windows button on your keyboard. After that, press tab until it focus on the bottom, and after focus in here, you can using right arrow button. Then you can press enter. You can using the bottom arrow until it focus on the shutdown, and you can hit the enter. Then your laptop will shut down. Okay, that's all. Two methods how you can shut down your laptop with just only using your keyboard. Okay, hope this video helpful for you. If you have any question, just fill in the form comments. Thanks for watching.